Oh yeah, hoping you can hear the sounds of that. It's oatmeal, definitely coffee. Bacon. Now, y'all can blame Joshua Inyart from Flint and Steel Critical Skills Group for this one. He brought some chunk bacon to a skills class, and I made it my mission to go and find some chunk bacon. Thank you, Striplins. Yes, Striplins, for all those that know, gave me chunk bacon. Well, they gave me a slab of bacon, then I chunked it. So that was my mission. We got bacon, we got oatmeal, and we got, of course, coffee. Exactly. All right. I want to talk to you a little bit about Bushcraft Cooking Basics. If you'll notice, there's no flame coming up in this. It is simply just coals. Now, what I did is I built a nice little fire, built a nice little coal bed, and then lifted it up on some logs. So put all the coals in between. The basics of it is that you want to use coals because they're hotter, they stay longer, whereas flame can burn or what have you. So for those of you that cook on a grill, same concept, especially if you're using charcoal grill, but that's the same concept as you're using the coals. You're not cooking when the flames are on the charcoal bed. So that's kind of the basics of it. And then use your fire to its capacity, right? I've got coffee brewing, I've got oatmeal brewing, and I've got bacon cooking. Well, you notice that bacon's in the center because it's got to be a little bit higher, and this right here is about as close as I can get. It's burning like crazy as it is. So we're looking at probably about 200, well, we'll say average Joe, we're looking at about 200 degrees, maybe a little bit more. Actually, I would be willing to bet probably a little bit more. And then just using the outside coals for coffee, which is getting ready to boil, oatmeal, which is getting ready to boil, and I'll just push them in. So you're using your fire to the capacity, being able to use all the space, because right now it's hot outside. I don't need to really go in and worry about warming. However, if I got cold, I could come over and do that. With a keyhole fire, I could bring it all this way and then just have me a massive fire that way. So I could do it all at one time as well. So just as a by the way, that's kind of the basics, if you will, as far as bushcraft cooking goes. So I'll kind of give you some more time back, if you will. But hey, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for all you do. Until then, use your instincts to survive. Thanks. One of the things you've seen I've done is I've actually taken the coals and brought them up close to the mugs in this case, because as it starts spreading out, it starts cooling down. Well, now I brought it in. We got oatmeal that's cooking, and again the coffee, but the coffee was on the cooler side, so I brought it over here, brought some coals up around it, and it's made a big improvement just where it is. Again, this is hot where I'm sitting, where the camera is, so definitely some good stuff there. Bacon's almost ready, oatmeal's almost ready. Come on, coffee. It's still hot. I'll tell you that, this legacy stuff's pretty damn good. Oh yeah, hoping you can hear the sounds of that. It's oatmeal, definitely coffee. Bacon.